Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this bra cup. So I have sizes from A to double D. For this tutorial we are going to need a 5mm hook, DK weight yarn, a stitch marker and a pair of scissors. I'm going to put some sizes up on the screen as a guideline, but as ever, it is always best that you measure yourself, so you will be measuring from the bottom of the breast to the middle of the breast. I am making a C cup, so I'm going to start by chaining 12 plus 1. Skip the first chain, go into the second chain with a single crochet, then continue making single crochets all the way down until you have the right amount of single crochets. For me, it will be 12. I have made it to the end of my row, so chain 1 and turn your work. We are going to single crochet into this very first stitch here, keep single crocheting until you get to the end of the row. So we are now going to turn our work upwards. We will be putting 3 single crochets into this space here. So 1, 2 and 3. So put your stitch marker into your second stitch from your hook. So the middle one right here. So your stitch marker is going to indicate where you need to put your next 3 single crochets, just to make it easier. So we're going to single crochet down this side now, all the way down until you get to the end. When you get to the end, chain 1 and turn your work. We're going to single crochet up until we get to the stitch marker. So single crochet into the first stitch there and all the way up. When you reach your stitch marker, remove it. We're going to put 3 single crochets into this stitch. We are then going to put our stitch marker back into the second stitch from the hook. We need single crochet until we get to the bottom. Chain 1 and turn your work. This is what yours should be looking like. So again, we're going single crochet into the first stitch and all the way up until you get to your stitch marker. When you get to your stitch marker, remove it. Put 3 single crochets into that stitch. And replace your stitch marker into the second stitch from the hook. And single crochet until you get to the end. I will now put some more sizes up on the screen so you have a guideline. So this is my other one. I'm going to keep going with my cup until I get to the same width as this one. Okay, so I have just got to the right size. So now I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. So I'm just going to measure mine. I should have 6 inches in the width. So there you see I have 6 inches, and the other one, that is also 6 inches. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. I hope you was able to follow my instructions easily. If you did and you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!